देखा न कोहकन कोई फरहाद के बगैर, आता नहीं है फन कोई उस्ताद के बगैर।
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Today is a day special for me, special for all the students and special for all the teachers. Today is a day dedicated to the hard work teachers do for us to make us sharp as knife, confident as a bird, creative as a painting and hardworking as an ant. A teacher is a brilliant light illuminating the prism of life, revealing to a student a rainbow of possibilities. It was said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam that a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination and instill a love of learning. Teachers are like magicians who use their magic wands to help us make our lives more easier and more fruitful. By ending my speech here, I would like to say that the most important thing we must follow is to revere and value our incredible teachers. Thank you.
Good morning to all the respected teachers and my dear friends. Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. The contribution of teachers is enormous in everyone's life. Teachers are special blessings from God to us. They are the ones who build a good nation and make the world a better place. A teacher teaches us the importance of a pen over that of a sword. An ideal teacher is a person who guides the students on the right path. They are ultimate guide. A great teacher instills a passion for knowledge and a heart to spread that knowledge for humanity. Teaching is mother of all profession. It is vital. They are respected and honored. 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was independent India's second president and also one of the most notable teacher and philosopher. We celebrate Teachers' Day in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers' Day is a wonderful occasion for celebrating the beautiful bond between the students and teachers. Again, Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, I am Anabi Asher from class 6. I want to tell some lines about Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is a very special occasion for all teachers and students. It is celebrated every year on 5 September. To give respect and love to the teachers. 5 September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher and second president of India. Teachers are the main source for the growth of the nation. They make the country for a better place. They do not only teach us subjects, but they also help us grow by teaching us the moral values which are more important than studies. A good teacher is a candle that burns itself to light the way for others. The teachers are the second parent for the children. And we want to thank teachers for always guiding us and showing us right way. Teachers are an inspiration for the children. Thank you and once a very happy Teachers' Day.
Once Plato said, "My parents have brought me down on earth, but my teachers lifted me to the zenith." Happy Teachers' Day to all my loving and caring teachers.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर् देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. एक अच्छा शिक्षक वही होता है जो ताउम्र सीखता रहता है और अपने छात्रों से सीखने में कोई परहेज़ नहीं करता. जानते हैं ये किनके विचार हैं? ये विचार हैं भारत के पहले उपराष्ट्रपति और दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के. वे एक बहुत अच्छे शिक्षक तो थे ही, लेकिन साथ ही साथ एक प्रसिद्ध राजनायक, एक दार्शनिक व्यक्ति भी थे. उन्हें कई उपाधियां भी दी गई. उन्हें भारतीय संस्कृति का संपूर्ण ज्ञान था. सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन को भारत रत्न, ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट और नाइट बैचलर अवार्ड से नवाजा गया. कहते हैं ना कि शिक्षक एक दीपक के समान होता है जो खुद जलता रहता है लेकिन दूसरों को प्रकाशित करता रहता है. जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, हमने कई दफ़ा ये भी पढ़ा है कि हमारी जीवन की सबसे पहली शिक्षिका हमारी माता होती है. तो आज के इस शिक्षक दिवस पे उन माताओं को भी नमन, और साथ ही साथ हमारे शिक्षकों को भी नमन है जो दिन रात हमारे लिए मेहनत करते हैं, हमें पढ़ाने में, हमें कुछ बनाने बिना किसी स्वार्थ के बस हम पर दिन रात लगे रहते हैं ताकि उनके बच्चे कल को देश का भविष्य बने और उनका नाम रोशन करें। तो इन्हीं विचारों के साथ आप सभी को, हमारे सभी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
टीचर्स डे के मौके पर न्यूज़ द पैशन की खुसूसी पेशकश।